नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू इंग्लिश विद सामीन सैफी। आज के इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे 1000 इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशनल सेंटेंसेस जो आप अपनी इंग्लिश की बातचीत में यूज़ कर पाएंगे। आज का वीडियो थोड़ा सा लंबा होगा, तो इस वीडियो को अपने व्हाट्सएप पर शेयर कर लीजिए ताकि अगर आप इसको एक बार में अभी पूरा ना देख पाएँ तो टुकड़ों में इसको पूरा कर लें। तो चलिए कुकिंग से रिलेटेड कुछ सेंटेंसेस के साथ शुरू करते हैं। क्या आप खाना बना रहे हैं? Are you cooking? Are you cooking? आज क्या बन रहा है? What's cooking today? What's cooking today? मुझे ingredients बताइए। Tell me the ingredients. Tell me the ingredients. यह रेसिपी कैसे बनती है? How is this recipe made? How is this recipe made? क्या हम इसे उबाल सकते हैं? Can we boil it? Can we boil it? आपको क्या काटना है? What do you need to chop? What do you need to chop? आलू छील लीजिए। Peel the potatoes. Peel the potatoes. मसाले डाल दीजिए। Add the spices. Add the spices. मिक्स कर लीजिए। मिक्स इट वेल। मिक्स इट वेल। पानी डालना है क्या? डू आई नीड टू ऐड वाटर? डू आई नीड टू ऐड वाटर? तेल गरम कर लो। हीट द ऑयल। हीट द ऑयल। चावल पक गए क्या? इज द राइस रेडी? Is the rice ready? आप रोटियां सेक सकते हैं क्या? Can you bake bread? Can you bake bread? दही डाल दीजिए। Add the yogurt. Add the yogurt. दूध उबालना है। The milk needs to be boiled. The milk needs to be boiled. नमक कम है। It needs a bit more salt. It needs a bit more salt. कृपया इसे चखिए। Please taste it. Please taste it. मिर्च ज़्यादा है। It's too spicy. It's too spicy. इसमें क्या मिलाना है? What should we mix with it? What should we mix with it? प्याज काट लीजिए। चॉप द अनियंस। चॉप द अनियंस। लहसुन छील लीजिए। पील द गार्लिक। पील द गार्लिक। मटर छीलो। शेल द पीज। शेल द पीज। सब्जियां धो लीजिए। वॉश द वेजिटेबल्स। वॉश द वेजिटेबल्स। कटा हुआ धनिया डालें। Add chopped coriander. Add chopped coriander. सूप गरम कीजिए। Heat the soup. Heat the soup. फ्रिज से निकालो। Take it out from the fridge. Take it out from the fridge. सर्व करने से पहले गर्म करें। Heat before serving. Heat before serving. सभी सामग्री मिलाइए। Mix all ingredients. Mix all ingredients. क्या आपने मिक्स किया? Did you mix it? Did you mix it? पकाने में कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take to cook? How long will it take to cook? पक चुका है। It's ready. It's ready. इसे ग्रिल कर सकते हैं क्या? Can we grill it? Can we grill it? यह व्यंजन किस शैली का है? Which cuisine is this dish from? Which cuisine is this dish from? मुझे कुकिंग पसंद है। I love cooking. I love cooking. डिनर में क्या मिलेगा? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? लंच तैयार है. Lunch is ready. Lunch is ready. क्या आपको ऑर्डर देना है? Do you want to place an order? Do you want to place an order? आपका पसंदीदा खाना क्या है? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? आज नया व्यंजन ट्राई करें. Try a new dish today. Try a new dish today. प्लेट में परोसें. Serve on the plate. Serve on the plate. कप में छान लो. Strain it into a cup. Strain it into a cup. मुझे ज़रा सा चखना है. I just want to taste. I just want to taste. रसोई में क्या चल रहा है? What's going on in the kitchen? What's going on in the kitchen? पनीर काट लीजिए. Cut the paneer. Cut the paneer. यह रेसिपी आसान है. This recipe is easy. This recipe is easy. मुझे रेसिपी देखनी है. I want to see the recipe. I want to see the recipe. अवन गरम है क्या? Is the oven hot? Is the oven hot? आप स्वीट डिश बनाएंगे क्या? Will you make a dessert? Will you make a dessert? इसे कुकिंग में कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take to cook? How long will it take to cook? डिश तैयार है. The dish is ready. The dish is ready. स्वादिष्ट है. It's delicious. It's delicious. मुझे नया स्वाद पसंद है. I like new flavor. I like the new flavor. रेसिपी में बदलाव करें. Modify the recipe. Modify the recipe. आप क्या ट्राई करेंगे? What will you try? What will you try? कृपया गैस बंद कर दें. Please turn off the gas. Please turn off the gas. इसे फ्रिज में रख दें. Keep it in the fridge. Keep it in the fridge. डिश को गरम करें. Warm the dish. Warm the dish. मिर्ची कम रखें. Add less chili. Add less chili. ये डिश किस देश की है? Which country is this dish from? Which country is this dish from? आप कैसे बनाते हैं? How do you cook it? How do you cook it? कृपया रेसिपी बताएं. Please share the recipe. Please share the recipe. मसाले मिला दें. Blend the spices in. Blend the spices in. इसे माइक्रोवेव में गरम करें. Heat it in the microwave. Heat it in the microwave. साथ में रोटी दें. Serve bread with it. Serve bread with it. ऑर्डर अब कर सकते हैं क्या? Can I order now? Can I order now? चम्मच से हिलाएं. Stir with a spoon. Stir with a spoon. इसे प्लेट में डालें. Put it on the plate. Put it on the plate. इसके साथ दही है. There is yogurt with it. There is yogurt with it. आपने मसाले डाले क्या? Did you add the spices? Did you add the spices? पानी ज़्यादा है. There is too much water. There is too much water. इसे ढक कर पकाएं. Cook it covered. Cook it covered. इसे फेंट लीजिए. Whisk it. Whisk it. इसे अच्छे से मिला लें. Mix thoroughly. Mix thoroughly. मुझे रेसिपी की किताब चाहिए. I need a recipe book. I need a recipe book. इसे साइड डिश के तौर पर परोसें. Serve it as a side dish. Serve it as a side dish. क्या आपने ऑर्डर लिया है? Did you take the order? Did you take the order? मुझे खाना ऑर्डर करना है. I want to order food. I want to order food. पैकिंग करा दीजिए. Please pack the food. Please pack the food. इसे घर डिलीवरी करें. Deliver it to home. Deliver it to home. आपको क्या पसंद है? What do you like? What do you like? इसमें कितने मिनट्स लगेंगे? How many minutes will it take? How many minutes will it take? ग्रेवी गाढ़ी है. The gravy is thick. The gravy is thick. कृपया स्लो कुक करें. Slow cook please. Slow cook please. इसे सलाद के साथ खाएं. Eat it with salad. Eat it with salad. मुझे रेसिपी समझ नहीं आई. I didn't understand the recipe. I didn't understand the recipe. क्या आपने सब्जी बनाई? Did you cook the vegetable? Did you cook the vegetable? आप खाना कैसे बनाते हैं? How do you prepare food? How do you prepare food? मुझे नया खाना ट्राई करना है. I want to try new food. I want to try new food. डिश बनाने के लिए क्या चाहिए? What do we need for this dish? What do we need for this dish? इसे धीमी आंच पर पकाएं. Cook it on low flame. Cook it on low flame. आप ऑर्डर कैसे करेंगे? How will you place an order? How will you place an order? मुझे कुछ अलग ट्राई करना है. I want to try something different. I want to try something different. क्या आप नाश्ता बनाते हैं? Do you make breakfast? Do you make breakfast? नाश्ता तैयार है. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready. मुझे डिनर ऑर्डर देना है. I need to order dinner. I need to order dinner. आपका खाना बेहतरीन है. Your food is excellent. Your food is excellent. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? बस ऑफिस जा रहा हूँ. Just heading to the office. Just heading to the office. आज स्कूल कैसा रहा? How was school today? How was school today? अच्छा था. टीचर ने मेरी तारीफ करी. It was good. The teacher praised me. It was good. The teacher praised me. तुमने अभी तक होमवर्क किया अपना? Have you finished your homework yet? Have you finished your homework yet? हाँ, अभी अभी ख़त्म किया. Yes, just finished it now. Yes, just finished it. Now. खाना खाया तुमने? Did you eat? Did you eat? हाँ, थोड़ी देर पहले खा लिया. Yes, ate a little while ago. Yes, ate a little while ago. क्या बाहर घूमने चलें? Wanna go out for a walk? Wanna go out for a walk? हाँ, क्यों नहीं? अच्छा आइडिया है. Sure, why not? Sounds like a good idea. Sure, why not? Sounds like a good idea. तुम्हें कॉफ़ी पसंद है या चाय? Do you like coffee or tea? मुझे चाय ही ठीक लगेगी. Tea would be fine for me. Tea would be fine for me. तुमने ये फिल्म देखी है? Did you watch this movie? Did you watch this movie? हाँ, कल देखी, मज़ेदार थी. Yes, watched it yesterday. It was fun. Yes, watched it yesterday. It was fun. बारिश हो रही है, छाता ले लो. It's raining. Take an umbrella. It's raining. Take an umbrella. तुमने नया मोबाइल देखा? Did you see the new phone? Did you see the new phone? हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है. Yes, looks really good. Yes, looks really good. पार्टी में कौन कौन आएगा? Who all will come to the party? Who all will come to the party? मेरे दोस्त और तुम्हारे भी कुछ दोस्त आएंगे. My friends and some of yours will come too. My friends and some of yours will come too. स्कूल जल्दी खत्म हो गया आज. School finished early today. School finished early today. मुझे पिज़्ज़ा बहुत पसंद है. I really like pizza. I really like pizza. तुम टीवी देखते हो या मोबाइल? Do you watch TV or use your phone? Do you watch TV or use your phone? ज़्यादातर मोबाइल. Mostly my phone. Mostly my phone. छुट्टी पर क्या करोगे? What will you do on your holiday? What will you do on your holiday? घर पर आराम करूँगा. Will just relax at home. Will just relax at home. बाहर बहुत धूप है. धूप का चश्मा ले लो. It's really sunny outside. It's really sunny outside. Take sunglasses. हाँ, लेता हूँ. Yes, I'll take them. Yes, I'll take them. तुम हमेशा लेट क्यों आते हो? Why are you always late? Why are you always late? माफ़ करना, ट्रैफिक में फंस गया था. Sorry, got stuck in traffic. Sorry, got stuck in traffic. ये किताब तुम्हें पसंद आएगी. You will like this book. You will like this book. हाँ, मैं इसे पढ़ने के लिए उत्साहित हूँ. Yes, I'm excited to read it. Yes, I'm excited to read it. क्या तुम मेरे साथ मूवी देखने चलोगे? Will you go to watch a movie with me? Will you go to watch a movie with me? हाँ, बिल्कुल. कौन सी मूवी? Sure. Which movie? Sure. Which movie? नई हॉरर फिल्म आई है. The new horror movie has come out. The new horror movie has come out. Oh, मैं डरावनी फिल्में नहीं देखता. Oh, I don't watch scary movies. I don't watch scary movies. कोई बात नहीं, कॉमेडी देख लेते हैं. No worries, Let's watch a comedy. No worries. Let's watch a comedy. क्या तुमने खाना बनाया? Did you cook food? Did you cook food? हाँ, थोड़ी सब्जी और रोटी बनाई है. Yes, made some vegetables and roti. Yes, made some vegetables and roti. पानी पी लिया क्या? Did you drink water? Did you drink water? हाँ, अभी अभी. Yes, just now. Yes, just now. तुम खेल में बहुत अच्छे हो. You are good at sports. You are good at sports. तुम कौन सी भाषा सीख रहे हो? Which language are you learning? Which language are you learning? मैं इंग्लिश सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning English. I am learning English. क्या तुमने नया गेम खेला? Did you play the new game? Did you play the new game? हाँ, बहुत अच्छा है. Yes, it's really fun. Yes, it's really fun. तुम्हारा जन्मदिन कब है? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? अगले हफ्ते. Next week. Next week. क्या तुम मेरे साथ शॉपिंग करने चलोगे? Will you go shopping with me? Will you go shopping with me? हाँ, क्यों नहीं? Sure, why not? Sure, why not? मुझे नई किताबें खरीदनी हैं. I need to buy new books. I need to buy new books. बाजार में सब महंगा हो गया. Everything in the market has become expensive. Everything in the market has become expensive. हाँ, सच में. Yes, really. तुम अपने दोस्त के घर जा रहे हो क्या? Are you going to your friend's house? Are you going to your friend's house? हाँ, थोड़ी देर में निकलता हूँ. Yes, leaving in a while. Yes, leaving in a while. क्या तुमने मेरी मदद की? Did you help me? Did you help me? हाँ, बिल्कुल. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. सुबह जल्दी उठोगे क्या? Will you wake up early tomorrow? Will you wake up early tomorrow? हाँ, कोशिश करूँगा. Yes, I will try. Yes, I will try. तुमने अपना बैग तैयार किया क्या? Did you pack your bag? Did you pack your bag? हाँ, सब तैयार है. Yes, everything is ready. Yes, everything is ready. क्या तुमने अपना फ़ोन चार्ज किया? Did you charge your phone? Did you charge your phone? हाँ, अभी किया. Yes, just did it. Yes, just did it. तुम हमेशा जल्दी सो जाते हो. You always sleep early. You always sleep early. हाँ, मुझे नींद जल्दी आती है. Yes, I feel sleepy early. Yes, I feel sleepy early. क्या तुमने फिल्म का अंत देखा? Did you watch the ending of the movie? Did you watch the ending of the movie? हाँ, बहुत अच्छा था. Yes, it was really good. Yes, it was really good. तुमने खाना तैयार किया? Did you prepare the food? Did you prepare the food? क्या तुम मेरे साथ आओगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? हाँ चलो. Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. बाहर बहुत ठंड है. It's very cold outside. It's very cold outside. हाँ, जैकेट पहन लो. Yes, wear a jacket. Yes, wear a jacket. तुमने चाय पी? Did you drink tea? Did you drink tea? हाँ, अभी अभी. Yes, just now. Yes, just now. क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me? Will you help me? हाँ, क्यों नहीं? Yes, why not? Yes, why not? तुम्हें कौन सा फल पसंद है? Which fruit do you like? Which fruit do you like? मुझे आम पसंद है. I like mangoes. I like mangoes. तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you sad? Why are you sad? कुछ नहीं, बस थोड़ा थका हूँ. Nothing, just a bit tired. Nothing, just a bit tired. तुम कौन सी जगह जाना चाहते हो? Which place do you want to visit? Which place do you want to visit? मैं समुद्र तट पर जाना चाहता हूँ. I want to go to the beach. I want to go to the beach. क्या तुम मुझे अपना फ़ोन दे सकते हो? Can you give me your phone? Can you give me your phone? हाँ, ले लो. Yes, here you go. Yes, here you go. तुम हमेशा मुझे हंसाते हो. You always make me laugh. You always make me laugh.